In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3150 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, I want you to copy the link that I have given at the description box below. And once you have copied it, please bring up your Google Chrome and at the Windows address bar, make a right click and click on paste. So once you have pasted it, click on the enter key in your keyboard. In that way, you'd be able to be navigated on this page where you can see this Epson Ecotang L3150. So please scroll down. Wait until you can see this drop down menu. Click on this down arrow key and set it into Windows 11. So once you've set it, in a few moments, you'll be able to open this list where here you need to proceed to drivers. Click on it and you can see the printer driver. Please click on download next to it. And in a few moments, you would be able to be navigated on this new page where here it will ask you first to agree on the license agreement. So please click on accept. And in that way, you can now start the downloading process. So in my case, I had already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then wait until it would be downloaded successfully. Once done, navigate to the top right corner. You can see a download icon, click on that one, and eventually your exe file. So please proceed to the folder icon, click on it to show it in folder. And in this new window, you need to select this one, then make a right click, and then click on this cat icon. Once done, close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click, and then click on paste. So once you have pasted the file here, you need to double tap to extract it, or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So proceed to WinRAR and select for extract to L3150 and wait until you can create another file folder here which contains the driver. So once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to start installing, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. And at the settings window, you need to navigate to the left pane, find for an option called Bluetooth and devices and click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you need to navigate to printers and scanners. Click on here, and then you'll see this option called Add Device. Click on it, and in a few moments, you can show another option where you can add a printer manually. Once it's here, click on Add Manually, and wait until you can show again another window where you can find a printer by other options. So please select for Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, then click on Next and then click on this down arrow key here and select any of these three USB port. So it could be 1, 2, or 3 and then select that and click on next. Once done, you need to click on Have Disk and tap on Browse. After that, proceed to the desktop, scroll down, proceed to the extracted file, double tap again, and then double tapped, and then select any of these two drivers and then click on Open. Click on OK button. Finally, you can see the printer. Please click on Next and then rename it. So in my case, I'll be setting Epson L3150. Click on Next and you can now start the installation. Once done, click on next. Click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed this Epson L3150 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.